सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और स्टॉक मार्केट हॉलीडे 2026 NSE National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange to be issued on January 15 for Maharashtra civic polls. Stock market holidays 2026. The commodity devices segments will remain closed for trading in the morning session. Stock exchange BSE and NSE will remain shut on Thursday, January 15, 2026 on account of Municipal Corporation Election in Maharashtra. According to circular issued by the National Stock Exchange, in partial modification to exchange circular earlier, the exchange hereby notified Thursday, January 15, 2026 as a trading holiday in capital market segment on account of Municipal Corporation Election in Maharashtra. The NSE said earlier the exchange had said that while trading would be open on January 15, it would observe a settlement holiday owing to the civil polls. Following the latest notification, trading in equities, derivatives, securities lending, and borrowing SLBS currency derivatives and the interest rate derivatives will remain shut for the day on both the BSE and the NSE. The commodity derivatives segment will remain closed for trading in the morning session. The Maharashtra government has declared January 15 a public holiday under the Negotiable Instrument Act to facilitate the conduct of local body election across 29 municipal corporations, including Mumbai City and Mumbai Subramam District Government and the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. The notification was issued under Section 25 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 using power declared to state government of the Ministry of Home Affairs since. और स्टॉक मार्केट हॉलीडे की बात कर रहे हैं आप लोगों के साथ, जो महाराष्ट्र के साथ हुआ है, जो 15 जनवरी का हॉलीडे है। और लेकिन जो म्यूनिसिपलिटी इलेक्शन है, इस बारे इसका रीज़न वो हॉलीडे दिया है NSE और BSE का, आप लोगों ने देखा। थैंक यू।